Hello everybody and welcome back to a brand new video. So today I will be showing you how to install custom fonts onto your computer. Fonts. They are what make text interesting. There's all sorts of different options for you to choose from. There's a font in the world for every person. But sometimes you just don't have that perfect font. So that's why you can download fonts onto your computer. If you just go onto your web browser, you can search free fonts, and you'll find a lot of websites that will allow you to download free fonts. Two of my favorites are Google Fonts and 1001 Fonts. So with Google Fonts, you can use these categories to choose your perfect font. I want something handwriting or monospace, so I can put those. I can do trending, popular, date added, or alphabetical. And I can adjust all of these different filters. If I find a font I like, I can click on this little plus icon. Then I click on this, and I can download the font. I can also learn how to embed it onto my HTML document or specify it in CSS. I'm going to download it, and here it is. So you can't install the font quite yet. You first have to extract it. So click on extract, extract all, and just extract it to the same folder. So now you see I have two files, one that says compressed folder tools, one that does not. So you're going to X out of the one that has this compressed folder tools. So these are the extracted files. I'm going to click on this, click install. This is a true type font file. Now it's installed. I can X out, go to my Word document, and I can find the name, which is Homemade Apple. So let's just type Homemade Apple. I'm going to select it, and I'm going to search for that font. There it is. And you can see this is the same font that I had here. So for 1001 fonts, one thing I really like is that you can actually preview how the font looks before you download it. So say I want to type Simplech. And something really important is that this little price tag, if it's green or red. So if it's red, that means it's only free for personal use. If it's green, that means it's free for commercial use. Usually if it's free for commercial use, it's also free for personal use. So I'm going to find one that I like. And I can even change the text up here, but I'm just going to leave it. I can also use these filters up here. So say I want something kind of techno. That seems like what I want. And I can do futuristic. And now I have filtered down my results. Let's see something I like. So I found this font here. I'm going to open it. It's called Expansiva. And I'm going to go ahead and download it. You can see it says free for commercial use. Okay, now I'm going to extract all. And I'm going to X out of the folder that says compressed file tools. And I'm also going to X out of the Homemade Apple. So I have a few options here. I can do the bold, italic, or just the regular. So these are open type font files. The other one was true type font file. So it's the same installation. So I'm just going to double click on Expansiva, click install. And there we go. So I can X out, go back to my Word document, type Expansiva, and I'm going to select that, make it a bit bigger, and search for the font. There it is, and there's my new font. So you can see these are my two new fonts. So of course there's hundreds of thousands of options for, different fonts. But yeah, hopefully you can find your perfect font now. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.